So welcome to this lesson, and as you can see on my screen, you can see a total sign up of 45,000 naira, and you can see a potential commission of 415,000 naira is what you can see. And here you can see about 45,000 naira right here, and you see 41,500 right here on the screen. So I will show you how I was able to make this kind of figure, and mind you, this is just the few of it. This is just the few I can show you right here, because I've done a lot of earning on dollar for us. I also done a lot of earning on naira for. I've made a lot of money from those platforms, and there's another current one which I'm currently promoting, which I'm also making some good figure from those platforms, and many other figures income that I've earned online. So I will show you how you can make this kind of figure on dollar for us. If I could remember, I made around $405. Let's calculate it. $405. Let's just do quick calculation and see how much it is in Nigeria. Let's just do a quick calculation of $405, and a dollar right now is approximately $1 is right now about 1,450, if I'm not mistaken. 1,450. Let's just do a quick quick calculation and see and look at it. $1 is 1,450 times $405. $405. So let's do the quick calculation. So you can see only on dollar for loss I've been able to make around $572, 250,000 naira, 250 naira from this platform on dollar for us alone. 587,250 naira from dollar for us. Though due to my time I could not able to log into the account because of network issue. I could have logged into my dollar for us and show you the proof that of the truth I earned from dollar for us. So this is just the little I can show you. So in this video I want you to stick to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how to make money online in Nigeria and my digital story, how I tried it and how they failed. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that when I make videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And don't forget to like this video, share, so that it will get to other people, so that other people can learn all of these things that you are learning from this channel for free. So let's dive into what we have today. So, and the thing is that, what if I told you that just a few years ago I was just broke, frustrated, and searching how to make money online in Nigeria every single night. These are the things I was doing every single night. I was broke. I was just like some of us outside there that are broke, just hustling for one way and the other to make a living out of their life, to get a better life. I was just like that. I was frustrated. I understand. But fast forward to today, I make consistent income from the internet through blogging, affiliate marketing, and other digital also, because my niche, I focus majorly on affiliate marketing and blogging. So today, to God be the glory, I make consistent income online today through hustling online. And these are the things I will be teaching you here, my stories, and how I was able to make all of those incomes. So, and in this video, I will tell you exactly how it all started, what I tried, what failed, and what exactly worked for me. Because I tried a lot, and I'll be telling you those things that I tried, those stuff that I've tried that has failed, and the one that I tried that worked for me, so that you too will not just waste your time trying to figure things yourself. You need to learn from those people who are making it, who made mistake, and who find the right track, and today they are on their way any good figure. So if you have ever doubted whether online business works in Nigeria, in this video you're going to learn whether truly online business works in Nigeria or not, because this video is going to be a wake-up video for you, to put you through into the things that are actually working online. So let's get to the real stuff. Now, to be honest, I did not start this journey because I wanted to be a digital marketer. I did not start the journey because I want to be a digital marketer. I started because I was tired. I was tired. I was tired of being broke. I was completely broke. I tired of depending on one source of income, and I've tried watching people online say they make money online while they did not even figure out they made it. How can that be possible? Someone telling you that he made money online, but he could not figure out how they made it. So I was tired. I was tired of being broke. I want to do something different. I want to make some good income for myself. I want to live a good life. Are you getting me? So I just try to get into online and look for things that are working and learn from those people who are doing it. Are you getting me? So I tried everything. Online surveying. I tried online surveying. One of us can know, we remember this Enna Point. I tried Enna Point, I tried the Swap, I tried Future Point, I tried so many online surveying, I tried ClickSense. None of these stuff paid. I tried data reselling. I did data reselling on Naira for All. I tried it. They set up a data reselling platform for me. I tried it. None of these things work. I did typing job. They did not work. But the thing is that nothing really worked in all of these things that I did. And most of them were scam. Just imagine the money I earned in Enna Point since that year is still in that particular platform, because why? I don't have a PayPal account as I then to withdraw my money, and many of those international payment methods are payment methods which we Nigerians cannot be able to get. So you just earn those money, you be looking at it on your screen and you cannot withdraw those money. So though that time was exactly my position, I was earning all those online service, but I cannot withdraw. Are you getting me? So most of them were scammed. That is how I just put it. Most of those online surveying stuff, they are scammed. So they paid so little, and he could not even buy me, and he could not even buy any lunch. Are you getting me? And I cannot actually boast to you that those online surveying I did as at that time paid me. Are you getting me? None of them paid me because I could not get the payment method. So I almost gave up. But one night, what I did was I stumbled on a blog and affiliate marketing, and that is where the things change. And let me tell you, the blog I stumbled upon that time was Prosper Noah blog. Many of us know him. Prosper Noah blog was a blog I learned about blogging and affiliate marketing. And there's also a lady called Joy Okoro. Those two guys are my mentor at that time. I was learning secretly from them, but they don't even know. But Joy actually knew that I was learning from her because she stood by me. Are you getting me? So I learned blogging and affiliate marketing from those two guys. As at that time, that is when I learned blogging and affiliate marketing, and I find out that you could actually make money online by creating valuable content, recommending useful products online. That is when I discovered, okay, the money these people are saying that I'm making, so these are the secret. Because when I read those guys' blog, I saw that in the blog content they write a good quality blog post, and you see that there is a link, and when you click at that link on a major on Prosper Noah blog, he either direct you to a particular platform or either direct you to World Plus, where we are going to make a purchase. So I begin to get the whole scenario of the whole thing, that okay, these guys are actually writing this blog post and monetizing it with the affiliate link. So when I got the truth from them, I begin to follow them secretly, which they don't even know. So I discovered that okay, you can actually make money legitimately online by creating valuable content, recommending product on your content. So when I discovered it sounded too good to be true. Are you getting me? So what I did, that I decided to test it out. I started a blog which I bought my hosting domain as at that time 25k from Namecheap. And the truth is that this was just pure faith. No laptop, no any team, nothing. I just started with just that 25k. And the truth is that when I started my first WordPress blog, I was reading it from Prosper Noah blog. I was watching it because the article was, he wrote the article with an image. Each step you see how you do it. Each step you see how you do it. So I was following those steps. I was watching him, reading those content, and I was following the process to install my WordPress blog. And I must say that I installed WordPress blog more than 5 times. I was making a lot of mistakes, and the truth is that I was able to fix it through watching the live video he made on that particular content. Are you getting me? And when I started with my Android phone, Android iTel phone. That's what I used to start my blogging as at that time. Are you getting me? So I am telling you what I did, what actually works for me. And at first I was writing articles that nobody would read, because at that time I I was learning. I don't know about SEO. I don't know how SEO work, how to attract traffic, and how to monetize that traffic with affiliate link. And when I come to Prosperno blog, I discovered that this guy was actually building an email list, because when you visit his blog, a pop-up form will come, and when he's going to ask you for your full name and your email address, how you make 200k online in Nigeria. So I discovered I don't know how to do all of those things. I don't know about how SEO, how to attract traffic, and how to monetize my content and the rest of all that. But I was learning from these guys secretly. So today I made my first $100 online. It was not even about the money. It was the proof that these things actually work in Nigeria. Are you getting me? I'm not actually. After that, okay, I made money. I was satisfied of a truth. Okay, this stuff actually works. So these people that are saying that making this kind of figures online, of a truth, they are doing it. Are you getting me? And I want to tell you that the online business is actually working. It's working. So from that point, I doubled down. I started studying digital marketing, experimenting with a different affiliate platform. I tried Naira for all. I tried the Wedele. I tried Dollar for Us. I tried ClickPay. I tried in foreign affiliate platform, Bluehost. I signed up as an affiliate, and so many, just to mention a few. I tried all of these platforms. Are you getting me? And even helping brands promote their offers. If you check my blog, there's a post that I wrote on my blog. I was not even the one who wrote it. The company wrote it. They published it on my blog, and they pay me for the sponsorship. So I discovered the secret these guys are using. I begin to implement them, and then what I did, as I discovered the secret, then I launched my course, which is called the Blog Money Blueprint. The Blog Money Blueprint. Let me quickly show you. Walk you through to the page, the Blog Money Blueprint, so that if it's something that you feel that you're interested, you can just go ahead to pick the course. If it's something that you see that you are just interested, you can just go ahead to pick the course. So I launched a course called the Blog Money Blueprint. The Blog Money Blueprint, which is one of the powerful blog training that can actually help a lot of Nigeria to make money online. Are you getting me? So you see the page is loading. I will leave the link at the description of this video, so you can just go ahead and check it. So I launched that course so that it can help Nigerians to get started with building a powerful blog that actually make their money online for themselves. So that is when I discovered this secret. Then I launched this particular training called the Blog Money Blueprint. You see it at the description of this video. But before you knew it, the same people who were doubting me started asking me, bro, how did you do it? How you did do it? Are you getting me? Because I discovered the secret. I discovered the secret, and these things are things anybody can do. You self, you can also do it. So if you are watching this right now, this lesson, here is a little advice for you. Don't chase every trend you see online. Just pick one digital skill, learn it deeply. Are you getting me? Learn it deeply, and stay consistent. Whether it's blogging, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's content creation, it will pay if you stay consistent with it. It will pay you. Are you getting me? Just stay consistent. Get a training around it, and I'm telling you that you'll be amazed at the result. So the beginning is always rough. That is how it will always be, but the results are real if you don't quit. So that is exactly what I will be showing you here. If in my channel, if you subscribe to my channel, I'll be showing you all of that practical ways to build real online income from Nigeria or anywhere in Africa. If you subscribe to this channel, so if you have not subscribed, I know you'll be missing a lot. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you not be missing all of these goodies I'll be sharing on this YouTube channel. So if this story inspires you, I want you to hit the like button so more people can see this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, because I will be breaking down step-by-step tutorial on how to make legitimate money online the real way. Are you getting me? How to make legitimate money online the real way. And also check the description of this video. Like I said, I've dropped the link to my course, the Blog Money Blueprint, so that you can go ahead and take the training. Because if you want to learn learn how to start your own blog that makes you good figures online, you need to take this training. It's a very detailed training. So click the description of this video to go pick the course. Is a very affordable course in affordable price, and is a very powerful loaded course. So you can see it on seller. You can use any currency to get the training. So it's a very powerful training that you should not miss. I'm telling you the truth. It's a very powerful training that you must not miss. So go to seller, use the link at the description of this video to go pick the training right now, and you will not regret purchasing this training. So guys, if you get value from this training, this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video and like this video, so that YouTube will get to push it to more people to see the video and gain value from it. So guys, I will see you again, and stay safe.